Hello eccentrics and welcome back to Ecentrality. This week I wanted to challenge you to reduce your waste and reuse some old clothes. This is the toilet paper challenge, switching trees for fabric. Could you do it? I personally started out with 100% natural fibers such as this cotton pair of jammies. Using toilet paper as a reference to size, lay it on your garment and cut, tracing the shape. Do this with the rest of the item for multiple squares. Now I know what you are probably thinking. What the fudge? Why would anyone do this to themselves? We have perfectly good dead trees for purchase anywhere you go. I know, I'm still trying to wrap my head around it too. But I am trying to reduce my waste and reuse old clothes while I'm at it. So in my mind, it's two birds with one stone. And I'm really just gonna use this as a replacement for when I go pee. I'm not really ready to wipe my behind with these. So yeah, maybe when I'm older or in a few years or wiser in this zero waste journey, maybe I'll upgrade to cloth everything in my toilet needs. We'll see. One step at a time, right? Once all the pieces have been cut, go ahead and serge or sew down the raw edges. I'm not entirely sure how awkward the fringe would be all over your bits, so let's be safer than sorry. So I finished all of my toilet paper cloths. I've actually set up two little bins here, one for my clean cloths and then one for my used bits. And I just put a cloth in here, that way I can just scrunch it up and throw it in the wash. Oh my gosh, my feet are in the shot. Oh my gosh, where did I put them? Oh shoot.